In this section, we are going to preview sections 3.5 and 3.6 on ratios and proportions. There are some very important vocabulary words. Ratios compares two quantities, but proportions compare two ratios. So if you say, like, you need 5 cups of flour to bake a dozen cookies, you might write that as a fraction, 5 cups to 12 dozen cookies. But a proportion would take 2 of these and put them together. So if you doubled your recipe, you would need 10 cups of flour for 24 cookies. If we take a look at this hard example, it looks a lot like this easy example, except that there are some variables, and we have to do one very important thing. If you forget to distribute, you'll be sunk. In order to help you distribute properly, you might want to put parentheses around the numerators, the binomials, if you will, to create a quantity. You also might want to use loops. For example, I'm going to cross multiply. So 4 times the quantity, 2x minus 1, equals 2 times the quantity, x plus 2. Distributing properly gives us 8x minus 4 and 2x plus 4. From our previous section, draw the line down the middle, look for like terms, and use your inverses. We want letters on one side and numbers on the other. This leaves us with 6x minus 4 equals 4. And adding 4 to both sides gives us 6x equals 8. Since I see times by 6, I'm going to divide by 6. But remember, 8/6 is not completely reduced. We would want to make sure that we can reduce it by dividing by 2. If we put it in the calculator, we could get a decimal equivalent. We also could use our calculator just to reduce it by going into alpha F1. But we're going to leave it as a fraction. Our answer is x equals 4/3. If I were going to plug back in to check, wherever I see an x, I would plug in 4/3. Good luck on sections 3.5 and 3.6.